How's it going, guys?
Welcome back, and we're still in San Francisco. Today we are going to go visit probably the most photographed bridge in the world, Golden Gate Bridge. I think that's like our main destination. We might go to like Presidio Park. But yeah, I want to get some really nice footage there. Bring you guys along with us. Right now I'm really hungry. I think it's like, what, 9:30? I was up since 6 a.m.
Yeah, we should have gone back to bed.
Yeah, I was up since 6. Yeah, we're gonna get some food. Went to the cafe. The amount of hills in this place. Yesterday for dinner, we walked up. How many? I think we walked up maybe like 6 blocks. 6 blocks, just full of uphills. So yeah, we're getting our morning cardio in right now before we feast. A cafe called Unported Cafe, and they have these two really interesting drinks that we got. So one of them is a beet latte, and the other one is a turmeric. Yeah, the other one is a turmeric latte. I really don't know what to expect, so let's try the turmeric one first. It's actually really interesting. Like, actually, it doesn't taste bad. It doesn't taste bad at all. It's just, you can really taste the turmeric. We're about to go on a 25-minute hike to go see something called That's the one. I forgot for a second. Yeah, the Lands End Labyrinth. Apparently, it looks really cool in the photos. I don't want to hype myself up too much, but I think it'll be really cool. So now we're gonna go through 25 minutes of hiking. We're exhausted already. I should have gotten a coffee. Instead, I got that turmeric drink, as you guys saw.
I'm glad you tried it though, because then I could try it too.
Yeah, I gave like the rest of it to her because it's gross. When we get there, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Golden Gate Bridge, finally made it. So now I'm gonna do a bunch of B-roll for you guys and just show you guys every angle that I can of this bridge. We're hitting it from this side, which is San Francisco side, and then we're going to the other side, which is the National Park side. Again, I'm gonna B-roll this thing. Let's go. Sit back and relax, 'cause love is blinding. Alright guys, and that will conclude day number 3 here in San Francisco. We're honestly exhausted. But anyways, we were out there for how long?
We were outside from like 9:30 to what? 6?
9:30 until 6. But the biggest problem is outside waiting for that sun to set so we can get the really nice footage, which you guys have already seen. We literally stood out in the cold for like over an hour waiting for the sun to hit that perfect spot. We're gonna catch you guys for the next vlog, which will be the final one in terms of the vlog style before the big cinematic video of all of San Francisco. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, leave a comment below, and please subscribe and hit the notification button so you can always be stayed up to date into future videos. Peace.